How do you prove discrimination? In an earlier post, I outlined the two primary types of discrimination. So if you know what discrimination is, you might want to know how you determine if you've been discriminated against. Under New York and federal law, you have to be able to prove a few things if you want to bring a successful discrimination lawsuit against your employer. First thing you need to prove is that you work in a company that employs more than 4 employees, that's under New York law, or more than 15 employees to be protected under federal law. The second is you have to be an employee, not an independent contractor. The third is that you have to be a member of a protected class. You also have to prove that you suffered an adverse employment action, like being suspended or terminated, and that the adverse employment action occurred because you are a member of a protected class. And the last and main thing is you have to prove pretext generally. In most, if not all cases, your employer is going to have a non-discriminatory explanation for why he took a bad action against you. For example, if you didn't get a promotion over someone else, your employer might say you didn't have the qualifications like the other employee did. So when your employer makes up a reason to cover up the discrimination, that's called pretext. You must be able to prove that the employer's excuse is not true. And the last thing you have to do is prove damages. You have to show the harm that you suffered as a result of the adverse employment action. If you want to learn more about how to prove discrimination, download our free ebook on discrimination generally. You can get that here.